Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore contract tracking using Ironclad CLM detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring contract tracking using Ironclad CLM, first, log into your Ironclad account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your contract management features. Locate the Contracts section in the side menu and click on it. In the Contracts section, use the search bar to find the specific contract you want to restore. Once you've found the contract, click on it to open the Details view. In the Contract Details view, look for the Status drop-down menu. If the contract is archived or inactive, change the status to active. After changing the status, review any relevant notes or next, click on the Save button to confirm the status change. To ensure accurate tracking, navigate to the Tracking tab within the Contract Details. Review the associated milestones and obligations. If any milestones need updating, click on them to edit the details. Make necessary updates to the milestones and save any changes. Check the notifications settings to ensure that alerts are set up for this contract. Verify that all team members involved in the contract are properly assigned in the Team section. To wrap up, return to the main contracts dashboard to confirm that your contract is now active and trackable. Finally, monitor any updates or changes to the contract over the coming days to ensure smooth tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.